So as the 2022 Grand Wagoneer makes its triumphant arrival, it brings with it the realization of our most premium features. And there's no better backdrop to explore each of them than the vast American landscape. Our adventure begins under the shade of trees and in the reflection of sunlit rivers. The Grand Wagoneer boasts the warmth of premium finishes. Rich walnut and shimmering metal dapple the interior, offering the subtle beauty of a secret fishing spot. Only you won't mind sharing this one with the world. But these details only mark the start of our journey. As we leave serene waterways for the inviting chill of fresh snow, we shine a light on the Grand Wagoneer's spirit for adventure. The Grand Wagoneer is equipped with everything you need to make the most of a weekend getaway. Like the ability to evolve with an ever-changing landscape, offering the same control, carving through snow-covered roads, as you expect to have on a run down the mountain. And when it's finally time to leave the lifts behind for a warmer atmosphere, the spacious and inviting interior transforms into an environment that rivals even the finest ski lodge. Except this après-ski is all yours. As snow-capped mountains disappear in our rear view, we welcome another vehicle making its arrival, the 2022 Wagoneer. Wherever trails lead, drivers will find themselves at the helm of legendary capability. The Wagoneer can even be adjusted to an impressive 10 total inches of ground clearance with the touch of a button. So no matter where adventure takes you, rest assured, the Wagoneer will rise to the occasion. Because at the end of the days you'll never forget, nothing should stand between you and the memories you'll make together. But where you go is oftentimes just as important as what goes with you. That's why the Grand Wagoneer is built to offer both power and precision in one place. The vehicle can even be lifted in seconds, seamlessly connecting hitch to trailer, making your highest expectations reality. So as you set off on journeys ahead, you'll have the confidence that the Grand Wagoneer is yet another powerful breed you've made an inseparable bond with. As the dust settles, we begin the final leg of our adventure and explore what the Grand Wagoneer is at its heart, a family vehicle designed to allow drivers to embrace technology as their co-pilot and keep the best things in their life safe and sound. Inside, passengers will find up to 75 inches of total display for a personalized viewing experience, whether that's planning their next scenic stop or listening to their favorite songs. Displays also include Fire TV for in-car streaming, so even the longest road trips feel more like time spent together in the comfort of a living room. Most impressive of all might be the Macintosh Reference Entertainment System, with 23 speakers crowning the interior of the Grand Wagoneer. Yet another way this vehicle has been meticulously designed to move you. Although each of these features is noteworthy in their own right, together, they simply mean your family has the freedom to take in the best this country and the SUV world have to offer. The Grand Wagoneer and Wagoneer have arrived, assembled right here in Michigan and adorned with our country's flag on their flanks. Unmistakably premium, their character and presence are as undeniable as America's beauty. But the adventures and the stories you will tell lie ahead. So now it's time to discover America in the vehicles built to reflect America's grandeur.